What is up, my mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be giving my first impressions of a $10 clone of Creed's Silver Mountain Water. Starting off with the packaging, it actually looks quite similar to Silver Mountain Water, but it's obviously not. It is called Pride Gold, and it is by Cosmo Designs. And here you can see that it cost $9.99 Australian, so $10. Silver Mountain Water is a unisex fragrance. It smells fresh, musky, and a little green as well. It's actually pretty popular. It's a very classy, safe fragrance. Although performance isn't amazing considering you're paying over $300 Australian, but the DNA is fantastic. I don't have some on me though, so I can't give you straight up comparisons, but I do remember what it smells like. So let's just unbox this, removing the plastic packaging. And here it is without the plastic wrap. It does have a cheap appearance, but what do you expect for $10 Australian? And opening it up to reveal a bottle. Not the best. It's just matte black with an ugly plastic cap. Not the best. Made in the United Arab Emirates. So this may actually perform decently then. Let's give the atomizer a go. Not fantastic. And on skin. It's only $10, so I can waste a couple of sprays. Oh wow. It actually does smell quite close to Silver Mountain Water, but it smells quite a bit more synthetic than the original. I get the fresh green notes and maybe a touch of that clean, delicate musk, but for the most part, yeah, it's just way too synthetic. It doesn't have any of that natural smell that Silver Mountain Water does. When you're smelling Silver Mountain Water, you know, whether or not you actually like the fragrance itself, it does smell natural and it presents the ingredients it uses realistically, whereas this just smells like it's taken the notes of Silver Mountain Water and is using the cheapest, worst, most synthetic quality ingredients there are for it. It's almost got this bitterness to it that is not present in Silver Mountain Water. It's even for $10, this is not good. Yeah, I'm probably going to end up just giving this away. I might give it to my father and see what he thinks of it. It does not smell fantastic. It's going to perform terribly, even worse than Silver Mountain Water. Just, you know, it's completely dry on my skin. You know, there's no oil, no residue. It's just completely and utterly dry here. It's already starting to fade. It is already starting to fade. Oh, this is woeful. This is maybe one of the worst performing fragrances I've ever smelled. It is literally already starting to fade. How long has this been? Like, I've been recording this for like 3 minutes and 50 seconds and it's already starting to fade. This is a miserable experience. Even if I was given this for free, I would be disappointed by it. So you know what, maybe I won't be giving it to my father. Maybe I'll just be donating it to an op shop or a thrift store and just giving it to somebody that way, because this is not good. This is not good at all. Do I recommend this $10 take on Silver Mountain Water by Creed? Absolutely not. Avoid this like the plague. It is no good. Anyways, if you've had the misfortune to ever try this one before, let me know in the comments below, and I'm also curious to hear what you guys think of Silver Mountain Water in general. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.